Hello everyone, thank you for joining Remote Sensing and GIS question and answer session series. In today's question, we will see how we can able to prepare our first date location map. If you want to give gift to someone, you can prepare this first date location map and you can give them as a beautiful gift. You can create a frame of this and you can provide a gift to them. So how to prepare this first date location map? It is very easy and we'll learn this how we can able to do this in QGIS. So previously I have shown in my channel how to prepare our first date location map using ArcGIS. Today I will show you how we can able to prepare this map using QGIS. Okay, so I will delete this and I will take a blank one. Okay, after start your QGIS, you need to install this HCM GIS plugins. Okay, so go to plugins and manage and install plugins and search here HCM GIS. So you can install these plugins. After installing this plugin, you will see this plugin is here. Just click on the HCM GIS, then need to add our base map, and we can add a Google Maps or as well as Google satellite imagery. So we'll take here a Google map. After adding a Google map, we can zoom like this by using a scroll. So whatever your desired location is, that you can visit that location. So like this, you can zoom it to that location. After zooming it to that location, what we need to do, we just need to click on the project, and after that click on the new print layout option. So here we need to provide a name to it. So my first place map, I will just click on the OK. So now you will see the blank pages here. I want to add this location. What are the location we are able to see here? That location I want to add here. So just click on the add items. Okay, from here we can select the add map. So it will change into plus icon. I will just left click on my mouse and I will drag like this. So that map will add here. Okay. If you want to shift it little bit anywhere, we can shift a map. What are the location you want to shift? After that, we need to download our HUD shape. So in the Google, you can go and you just search HUD shape SVG file. Okay. So once you will search here, you will get this SVG file here. Okay. And then you can able to download this. Right click, then save image as, and you can save to your desired location. So I have already saved this file. Okay. Then you again need to come to the locations and click on the add items, add pictures. Just drag like this wherever you have meet first time. Okay. After that, we need to select this raster image. Okay. You can also select the SVG image, and I'm taking raster image here. Just click on the search option is here. And I will select this SVG image, a perfect SVG HUD shape. So I'll just add here, open. So now you can able to see this HUD shape is added here. Okay. So you can make it a small or large as per you want to do. Okay. So after adding a HUD shape, just select it. We can add a lat long here. Okay. How to add a lat long? Just go downside here and grid option is there. Select a plus icon, select a grid one and click on the modify grids. So here we need to select an interval, at what interval we want to add a lat long. Before that, you can select your unit here as well. Suppose you want in WGS 1984 or what format. So I'm selecting here WGS 1984 format, and we can provide a grid here. Okay. Like suppose I want a 5 degree space. Okay. 0.05. So this way we can able to add a grid. Whatever desired your interval you want to add, that you can select here. After that, just need to come downside. Okay. Suppose if you want to show thin this line, you can just click on this line style. Okay. How the line style you want. So like this, if you want very light color, so you can just move to this way, so it will select a very dark line here. Okay, so faint color or light color, according that you can just select it. After that we'll move downside. If you want to add a frame to it, just select a zebra frame. If you want to add a zebra frame, after that just come downside and draw coordinate option is there. After drawing a coordinate, this coordinate I want vertical, so I will just click on the left side coordinate. I want inside and I want vertical. Then after that we can come back, and if you want to do it a small inside one, just click here. We can add this inside. After that just select here, and what we want to add now, we want to add title here or text here. Okay, so just click on the add items, then you can add a label. Whatever the label you want to add, just draw like this. So we can write here our first place. Then after that we can enter. You can add your name, what are the name you want to add here. After that you can add your date, whenever you meet, or when you have meet last time, when you have meet first time, what are the date you want to add, you can add here. So like this I have selected here. After that, if you want to change title, color of all this, just click on the font and select your whatever the font you want to select, that you can able to select from here. Okay, so there are different kinds of fonts are there. You can click on the bold, then you can increase the size of it. Just click on OK. So now you will see this way you can able to add the things. Then you can shift this if you want to shift into center, then middle. Okay, again if you want to change a color, you can click on the color option, what are the color you want to show. After that, choosing your color, if you want to add a border to it or frame to it, you just click on the frame. You can add a frame here. So this way your map is ready here. If you want to write something here or anything if you want to add, or any thought if you want to add, you can just add text data, then add labels or anything you can able to add here. Okay, so after that, if you want to add north arrow or anything, like if you want to add a north arrow, just select it, drag a north arrow, and you can select the north arrow you want. Okay, so you can add a north arrow. If you want to add a scale, anything if you want to add, you can add here from here only. Okay, add scale bar and legend. So like I'm interested to export this as a JPG file or TIFF file. So click on the layout, export as an image. So I will save here first place map. So I will save as a my place and click on save. And if you want to increase the resolution, you can increase and just click on the save. So now this way, very easily, we can able to prepare our first place map. Okay, if you want a more zoom, then you can just go to this location, you can zoom more. Whatever the scene you are able to see here, that much of only you can able to see in the map. So if you'll zoom this location, then your map will be zoomed here. Okay, so this way very easily you can able to prepare your first date location map. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment sections. Thank you.